Hi everyone, this is Amy from Equipment Zone, coming to you live from the Impressions Expo show in Atlantic City. We're very excited today because we're introducing the new Epson G6070 DTF film printer. This printer is going to change the way companies make film. Not only is it 36 inches wide, but it comes with a full 1-year on-site warranty from Epson. You can't get that in the industry. And you can actually add an additional 4 years, making this printer a 5-year warranty, covering parts, labor, and travel. It's the best company on earth. We have mated it with our powder shaker here. This powder shaker is automatic, and the beauty of this is it will fit through a standard doorway, and it plugs into a standard 120 outlet, just like the printer. Now, the powder shaker can be run off of our take-up reel, or you can cut it at will, because we have rollers in here that move it through the belt. Not a lot of powder shakers can do that. We could cut this right now with a scissor, and it would continue to come out. So that's another great feature. We have built-in filters, a charcoal filter and a HEPA filter. Keeps it nice and clean, meaning you don't have to vent to the outside for any reason whatsoever.
You don't have to vent that?
No venting needed. So this is a fully self-contained system for people who want to make films affordably, and the quality is superb. Contact Equipment Zone for any other questions that you have. We're happy to help you.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
It uses cartridges, right? Not bulk ink.
Bags. See this right here?
Oh, so it comes in airtight bags.
1.6 liter bags.
Oh, wow. And you buy them from anywhere?
You buy them from Equipment Zone, from our online store.
Right.
We provide free shipping with orders over $150. And it is Epson ink, which is recommended, highly recommended, because it works.
Right. And the powder and the shaker and everything else come from...
And the powder and the film is Equipment Zone products.
Epson stuff, or just...
The powder and the film is from Equipment Zone.
Okay.
The ink is from Epson. We are Epson's largest partner in the United States.
Oh, wow.
And we provide the full system.
That's awesome.
Okay. I opened the door. I opened the door of the ink, so she stopped.
So that's what happened. Every time you stop, you just stop printing, right? That's awesome. I like
Somebody opens your door, don't you pay attention?
Of course.
Hey, who's there?
Bang!
Step up your A game, or you'll be ashamed.